Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, as you know, we are dealing with the unit second. The name of the unit is atomic structure. Now our today's topic. Our today's topic is Planck's quantum theory. Quantum theory. Planck ने कब ये quantum theory दी in 1900 to explain the particle nature of the light. So Planck's quantum theory is related to the particle nature of the light. Particle nature of the light. Dear students, as we know, the light जो है इसका dual nature होता है. That's the wave nature and the particle nature. The wave nature हमने already से discuss किया in the electromagnetic wave theory that was proposed by the Clerk Maxwell. आज हम discuss करेंगे that is the Planck's quantum theory, which is related to the particle nature of the light, which was proposed by the Max Planck in 1900. And the various postulates of the theory are as follows. Number first postulate है theory का, जो सोर्स होता है एनर्जी का वो emit करता है रेडिएशंस discontinuously in the form of small packets of energy. उन packets of energy को हम कहते हैं quantas, and in case of light those are called as photons. Suppose हमारे पास ये सोर्स है, ये emit करता है रेडिएशंस in the form of discontinuously in the form of small packets of energy. In packets of energy को हम कहते हैं quantas, or in case of light these are called as photons. So these are quantas or photons. So number first postulate है theory का, the radiations are emitted by the source of energy discontinuously in the form of small packets of energy called as quantas, or in case of light these quantas are called photons. यह है फर्स्ट पॉस्टुलेट थ्योरी का. अब सेकंड पॉस्टुलेट जो है थ्योरी का वो ये है कि जो ये रेडिएशन है विच इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ स्मॉल पैकेट्स ऑफ एनर्जी, हर एक पैकेट की अपनी अपनी एनर्जी होती है, एंड दैट एनर्जी जो है वो किस पर डिपेंडेंट है, फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द रेडिएशन. सो सेकंड पॉस्टुलेट है थ्योरी का, we have the second postulate of the theory that the energy of the photon or the quantum is proportional to the frequency of the radiation. The energy of the photon or quantum is directly proportional to the frequency of the radiation. So here we have energy of the photon or the quanta. That energy जो है that is directly proportional to the frequency. अब हम इस ये क्या है, nu that's frequency, this is energy directly proportional to the frequency. अब हम इस proportionality को हटाएंगे, E is equal to h into nu, where h is Planck's constant, and its value is equal to 6.6 into 10 raised power minus 34 joule second. अब वी ऑल्सो नो दैट जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है किसके बराबर है, फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है दैट इज इक्वल टू द वेलोसिटी डिवाइडेड बाय वेवलेंथ। ये हमने ऑलरेडी से डिस्कस की है ये रिलेशन इन द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द वेव। सो वी सबस्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी इन दिस इक्वेशन, वी गेट E इज इक्वल टू H इंटू C डिवाइडेड बाय लैम्डा। ये है अनदर रिलेशन। इसी तरह से हमें पता है E किसके बराबर है, H इंटू C into 1 divided by lambda. ये यही इक्वेशन है, 1 divided by lambda, that's also called as a wave number. So we have E is equal to H C into nu bar. ये 3 रिलेशंस आप याद रखोगे, चार रिलेशंस आपको याद रखनी है। E is equal to H into nu, न्यू इज इक्वल टू C डिवाइडेड बाय लैम्डा। फिर हमने वो वैल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट, फ्रीक्वेंसी का वैल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट हमने किया है एनर्जी इक्वेशन में, where we get CHC divided by lambda and 1 divided by lambda, that's called the wave number. So हमने यहाँ पर क्या लिखा, that is wave number, SC into wave number. This is the second postulate of the Planck's quantum theory. Now last postulate of the theory is जो हर कोई बॉडी जो है वो emit करती है एनर्जी या absorb करती है एनर्जी in the form of whole number quantas. That is the energy number third postulate है the energy is emitted or absorbed in some whole number quantas. That is E is equal to NH into nu. This is called quantization of energy. मतलब हर कोई बॉडी जो है वो एक क्वांटम या 2 क्वांटाज या 3 क्वांटाज एब्जॉर्ब कर सकती है। हम ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि कोई बॉडी जो है वो इमिट करती है या एब्जॉर्ब करती है 1.5 H into nu. 1.5 into H into nu. Here it means that 1 quanta and half quanta is not possible. So we say that energy is always absorbed or that is emitted in some whole number quantas. These are the 3 important postulates of the Planck's quantum theory. Depending upon these postulates, we are going to solve some numericals here. So question number 1 है हमारे पास, calculate the frequency. क्वेश्चन है calculate the frequency and energy of a photon of radiation having wavelength 6000 एंगस्ट्रॉम। हमें क्या करना है, क्वेश्चन आप देखिए पहले, कैलकुलेट द फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड एनर्जी। हमें 2 चीज़ें कैलकुलेट करके देनी है, एक तो हमें फ्रीक्वेंसी कैलकुलेट देनी है एक फोटॉन की, और एनर्जी देनी है कैलकुलेट करके देनी है, फोटॉन की एनर्जी कैलकुलेट करके देनी है ऑफ ए रेडिएशन हैविंग द वेवलेंथ 6000 एंगस्ट्रॉम यूनिट्स। सबसे पहले हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे, एक रेडिएशन है उसकी वेवलेंथ कितनी है 6000 एंगस्ट्रॉम, हमें उस रेडिएशन की कैलकुलेट करके देनी है फ्रीक्वेंसी। सो वी से हमें पता है फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है अभी हमने लिखा न्यू किसके बराबर है, C डिवाइडेड बाय लैम्डा। सिंपल, C जो है दैट इज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ द लाइट। वी नो दैट C किसके बराबर है, दैट इज 3 into 10⁻⁸ मीटर पर सेकेंड। एंड लैम्डा हमें पता है दैट इज कॉल्ड 6000 एंगस्ट्रॉम यूनिट्स, दैट इज गिवन। इसको हम मीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, दैट इज लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 6000 into 10⁻⁻10 मीटर। So what is the frequency of the radiation? Frequency of the radiation C nu is equal to C divided by lambda. And nu किसके बराबर है? C, that is 3 into 10 raised power 8 divided by frequency wavelength 6000 into 10 raised power minus 10. That comes out to be 5 into 10 raised power 14. 10 raised power 14 second inverse. This is the first part of the question, that is the calculation of the frequency. So हमने calculate करके दी frequency of the radiation. अब सब number second हमें क्या calculate करके देनी है? That is the energy. Now we know that frequency हमने calculate की, अब हमें energy देनी है, calculate करके देनी है photon की energy, and we know that frequency किसके बराबर है? 5 into 10 raised power 14 second inverse. Now we know that energy आप किसके बराबर है? Energy जो है that is equal to h into nu. So E is equal to h पता है, h जो हमें पता है वो किसके बराबर होता है? That is 6.6 into 10 raised power minus 34 into what is the frequency that is given, that is that's not given, that we calculated here, that's called 5 into 10 raised power 14. That energy, it comes out to be 3.3125 into 10 raised power minus 19 joules. This is the calculation of the frequency and the energy of the photon of a radiation having the wavelength 6000 angstrom. यह था पहला क्वेश्चन. अब हम दूसरा क्वेश्चन करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है, calculate the energy of 1 mole of photons. Calculate the energy of 1 mole of photons. Calculate the energy of 1 mole of photons of radiation whose frequency is 5 into 10 raised power 14 hertz और second inverse. हमें कैलकुलेट करके देनी है एनर्जी ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ फोटॉन, एक रेडिएशन की जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी है? 5 into 10 raised power 14 हर्ट्ज. सबसे पहले हम कैलकुलेट करके देंगे एक फोटॉन की एनर्जी, then we calculate the energy of the 1 mole of a photon. So we know that energy किसके बराबर है? Solution energy जो है that is equal to h into nu. So we have E is equal to h, Planck's constant उसका वैल्यू हमें पता है, h जो है that's called 6.6 into 10 raised power minus 34 and frequency ये भी हमें पता है 5 into 10 raised power 14 hertz और second inverse. So energy किसके बराबर है? Energy of 1 photon, energy of 1 photon according to the Planck's quantum theory, energy जो होती है photon की वो किस पर dependent होती है? Frequency पर. So we have energy is equal to h into nu. So here you have E is equal to h 6.6 into 10 raised power minus 34 multiplied by what is the frequency? That's 5 into 10 raised power 14 and E is equal to कितना है? That is 3.31213 into 10 raised power minus 19 joules. ये है एक फोटॉन की एनर्जी. Now we have to calculate the एनर्जी ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ फोटोन। 1 मोल किसके बराबर होता है 6.023 × 10⁻23। तो इस एक फोटोन की एनर्जी को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे विद 1 मोल ऑफ फोटोन, वी गेट द एनर्जी ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ फोटोन। So here you have energy of 1 mole of photon is equal to energy of 1 photon multiplied by 1 mole of photon. So here you have energy जो हमने अभी कैलकुलेट की, that is 3.313 into 10⁻⁻19 multiplied by 1 mole of photon, that's 6.023 into 10⁻23 mole, that this is called 1 mole of photon, that it comes out to be 199.51 kilojoule per mole. This is the second question, that is the energy of 1 mole of photon. Similarly, we have a third numerical based upon the same theory, that is the Planck's quantum theory, which is, so here you have a third question. A 100 watt question है, a 100 watt bulb emits monochromatic light of frequency wavelength lambda 400 nanometers. Calculate the number of photons emitted per second by the bulb. एक बल्ब है जो हमें मोनोक्रोमेटिक लाइट देता है, that emits the monochromatic light of wavelength. Monochromatic light is that light which is composed of only one type of wavelength. वो क्या है, that is here that wavelength is 400 nanometers. हमें कैलकुलेट करके क्या देना है, number of photons emitted per second. So first of all we will calculate the energy of the one photon, because we have to calculate the number n. So here you have E is equal to NH into nu. ये H into nu, that is the energy of the photon. We have to calculate the n. If n is we have to calculate this n, and n is equal to E divided by H into nu. If this E, that is the power of the bulb, that is given 100 watt, we have to calculate the energy of the photon, then we substitute that energy in this equation where we get the number of the photons. So here you have power of the bulb, power of the solution, power of the bulb is equal to 100 watt. Energy of the photon is equal to, that is E is equal to H into nu, और E is equal to, यहाँ पर फ्रीक्वेंसी का पता नहीं है हमें, तो सो हम यहाँ पर इसका वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे फ्रीक्वेंसी का, H into C divided by lambda. lambda तो पता है हमें, that's 400 nanometers. C, that's the velocity of the light, velocity of the photon. is equal to 6.6 into 10 raised power minus 34 multiplied by 3 into 10 raised power 8 divided by 400 into 10 to the power minus 9, because 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised power minus 9 meters. So here we get the energy of the photon, and that energy of the photon, that is equal to 4.969 into 10 raised power minus 19 joule. So from this we get the energy of the photon. Now the number of photons emitted by the bulb. Number of photons emitted by the bulb per second, that is equal to power of the bulb divided by energy of the photon. Power of the bulb कितना है 100 divided by energy of the photon, that is equal to 4.969 into 10 raised power minus 19, that comes out to be 2.012 into 10 raised power 20 second inverse. This is the number of photons emitted by the bulb per second. This was all about the Planck's quantum theory and the numericals based upon the Planck's quantum theory. Thank you so much.